Tucked among the scenic backdrop of Pacific Northwest mountains is a bustling technology company focused on shaping the future of aviation efficiency and sustainability. A pioneering company, one built upon the idea that good should always strive for great. A company of trailblazers, engineers, inventors, and aviators. A company of passionate industry experts, united by the belief that real solutions in aviation safety and performance can change the way the world experiences flight. Not tomorrow, not 10 or 20 years from now, but today. Right now, active winglet technology is quickly revolutionizing the aviation industry. Active winglet-equipped aircraft achieve better climb performance, longer range, increased stability, and unparalleled fuel savings. Designed, crafted, and built in America, installed and available globally. Active winglets are safe, proven, and FAA and EASA certified. A truly scalable technology, tested and ready for a wide array of business, commercial, and military aircraft, with fleet training and support infrastructure ready to help your team achieve maximum flight efficiency. Now is your time to expect more from your aircraft, to reach new heights and soar towards new horizons. Because regardless of where you're from, there's only one name that should come to mind when you think of groundbreaking aerospace innovation: Tamarack Aerospace. Tamarack takes you further.